Hello everyone and welcome back to our newest video. With you as always, me, Rough Virus, and behind me we have our newest project. This beautiful Mercedes Maybach S580 soon will be protected. We will install paint protection film on entire front, rear bumper, side skirts and on the few more small parts. As well, we will protect interior parts. Yes, we will install PPF on every single glossy part inside this car. So guys, before we're gonna start laying paint protection film on this car, we have opportunity to check it from inside, yeah? Because this is a car which you're not gonna see on the roads every single day. So let's check interior, yeah? Because as you know, we need to protect every glossy part inside this car. Everything what is glossy, all these parts will be protected using paint protection film. And this part and these tiny buttons like this one will be protected using paint protection film. As well, this car have a wood interior, like all these accents. You can get option with gloss accents and you can protect it with paint protection film. But in this case, we cannot apply paint protection film on textured parts, textured surface. Okay, yeah, beautiful steering wheel, big screens, in the middle big screen. And you know, on all these new cars, we don't have many buttons, that's it. We have a few big screens and that's it. But when you can afford a car like this, you need to ride in it in the back. You need to sit in the back because this is where it's the beauty of this car. You have a lot of space. This is kind of VIP car, you know. You have a fridge in the middle, screens to watch the movies on your business trip and enjoy your time because this car is limousine, you know. It is a big car. Beautiful. We have this privacy curtains, that's nice. And definitely door should go back like just like that. So it's enough talking about this car, let's start installing PPF. Okay guys, all inside interior parts are cut and all of them are on this sheet of plastic. Now probably it will take approximately 1 hour to weed all this excess film because I don't need it. I need to find all tiny bits hidden here, and when I'm gonna finish with cutting and weeding all this excess film, we will start installing them inside this car. Will be very fiddly job because if you can see, we have a lot of small parts because we are planning to cover every single button. Yeah, that will be a tough task. So guys, interior parts are protected, and now let's start to work on the outside parts. Yeah, outside panels. I will start with the fenders. For the fenders I will do bulk installation just for more coverage. As well, bonnet will do bulk installation, but for the bumper we're gonna use a modified template because we want to get this extra protection and wrap every single corner. Nu. Dėsim nuo manęs link tavęs. Neskubėk. For this installation we're gonna use foam. It's a new installation method for me, and I really love using foam. It works great, and installation is way quicker. So let's stack our panel. Done. Most important part when you cut the paint protection film is just to score top coat, and then you can just tear paint protection film, because we're not cutting through the film. Here I can show you that I haven't cut it through the film. Yeah, there's no cut there, but I can tear it like that. On this fender we're gonna wrap around this edge, we're gonna wrap around this top edge and this edge. Every single edge will be wrapped. One more time guys, we never cut through the PPF, we just score the top coat. Everywhere, all around this bonnet, we didn't cut through. But we just, okay, let's start from this side. I just scored deep enough to tear PPF. So guys, after a few long days, finally this Mercedes Maybach S is finished. We installed paint protection film on entire front, including headlights. As well, we installed paint protection film on the rear bumper, rear diffuser, side skirts, and we protected all glossy parts inside the car. All screens, dashboard, and everything what was shiny, we protected. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. With you was me, Virus, and I will see you next time.